the Chancellor of the Fiji National University, my good friend Mr. Semeza Karavaki, the Vice Chancellor of the Fiji National University, Maramarita Professor Unaisina Mobamba, the Chairman of the PSC, members of the Diplomatic Corps, representatives of the Center for Customs and Excise Studies of Canberra, Australia, representatives of Oceania Customs Organization, heads of school and academia, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Lolavina and good evening. Before I proceed, I pay homage to the traditional owners of the lands where we now stand. Yang wana bono betororau, berlewi ernabula, na yang wana chihambeto. Yang wana bono nanji, berlewi na bachelewu, na yang wana chinanji. Berlewi sawiyake, na bimbulu, na toke na uwa. We offer our blessings to the leaders, past, present, and emerging. It is both an honor and a privilege to stand before you today as we officially open the Pacific Center for Border Management and Security. As the Vice Chancellor had indicated, I hardly say no to FNU. Today was one of those days when you don't see daylight in your schedules. But we asked Tella, what time is this? He said 3 p.m. Can you move it to 5? So you were here at 5 because of my request, and I do appreciate your rescheduling this, Vice Chancellor. As indicated, this is an institution I dearly love. Part of my portfolio is tourism and civil aviation, and this is where I want to see the Pacific hub in every way, and including education like FNU. To our distinguished guests, staff, students, representatives from Fiji National University, our valued partner organizations, and members of our defense forces, welcome and thank you for being here to mark this historic occasion. Today we celebrate the culmination of a strategic collaboration between Fiji National University, the Center for Customs and Excise Studies, CCES, of Canberra, Australia, and the Oceania Customs Organization, or known as OCO. This partnership is a testament to the power of regional cooperation and our shared vision in addressing some of the most pressing challenges of our time. Ladies and gentlemen, the establishment of this center is a significant milestone, not only for Fiji, but for the entire Pacific region. It represents a bold step forward in strengthening border management and security, which are critical to ensuring national stability, facilitating trade, and protecting our borders. As a regional hub, this center will equip border management agencies and discipline forces with the specialized knowledge and skills necessary to address the complex and evolving challenges of our modern world. I would like to take this moment to acknowledge the pivotal role Australia has played in this initiative. As a steadfast partner in regional security and capacity building, Australia has demonstrated its unwavering commitment to the Pacific through practical collaborations like this one. The Fiji-Australia-Wawala partnership bears testament of how two nations can work together to promote regional stability and prosperity. This center is a tangible outcome of the partnership, and it will serve as a platform for fostering collaborative solutions to the common challenges we face in border management, security, and trade facilitation. Speaking of challenges, we must recognize the growing threats that Fiji and the broader Pacific region face in border management. Transnational crime, human trafficking, irregular migration, and the movement of illicit goods are just some of the issues that demand our attention. And you will see this in local, in global news almost every day. For Fiji, while our Pacific hub status has long benefited us, it has also meant that we are the transit points for crime. Our extensive maritime borders add another layer of complexity, requiring innovative and coordinated approaches to tighten security. I am confident this center is uniquely positioned to address these challenges by offering training programs that will enhance the capacity of our border and security agencies to respond effectively and efficiently. Ladies and gentlemen, education and training are at the heart of this initiative. The center will equip individuals working in border management, customs, and national security with the expertise and skills needed to combat evolving threats. By providing specialized education and training, we are building a sustainable, well-prepared workforce that will serve as the backbone of our security sector. This aligns with Fiji National University's commitment to delivering world-class education that supports the government's National Development Plan, fostering economic growth, regional stability, and national security. Fiji National University has once again demonstrated its role as a nation's university by aligning its programs and initiatives with the priorities of the coalition government's National Development Plan. It is a clear reflection of the critical role that collaboration between government agencies and universities plays in driving national development across various sectors, including education, security, trade, and sustainable development. This initiative also highlights the importance of collaboration between government agencies and universities. Such partnerships are essential for driving national development as they combine the strength of academic expertise and policy implementation. I encourage continued collaboration between FNU, government agencies, and regional partners to ensure that our national policies are informed by research, innovation, and practical solutions. By using education as a tool to address our national and regional challenges, strengthening our security institutions, and fostering regional and international collaboration, we are contributing to the achievement of these global goals. As we look to the future, I'm confident that this center will continue to evolve and adapt to the emerging security challenges of our region. It is a forward-looking entity, one that will remain at the forefront of innovation and excellence in border management and security. The government is fully committed to supporting the center's mission and encouraging future collaboration between all stakeholders. In closing, I wish to express my deep pride in being part of such a meaningful initiative. I look forward to seeing the long-term impact of this center and the positive changes it will bring to our nation. Thank you, Viliame Gavoka, and may God bless us all as we embark on this important journey together. Namaka. What an honor.